President William Ruto niwathingiliila ngwatanio Yake na Ndongoi ya ODM Raila Odinga ya Kuseuvya serikali ya broad-based ti kwoondu wa meli Indi ni kwoondu wa Useo wa Uteti na Maendeeyo ma Nthi ino ya Kenya. Aineena na Atongoi Kuma Kisumu State House Niwamatungia Muvea ni kwoondu wa Kukwatiliila Witikalano wake na Raila wa Kuthukuma Vamwe Aiweta kuvindwa Nthi no kwenda andu mawendi musio. Ruto niwaweta vaikisio kanamba iyo na yiva ikutilwa itina nthini wa serikali yake ingeiweta muuguoni wa vata muno nthini wa kuendesya nthi ya Kenya. Ben Musao na mauvo.
President William Ruto Aineena na Atongoi Kuma kauntini ya Kisumu nthini wa umbanola watwaiwe vomani ya musumbi va musini wa ilovi niwaweta ngwatanio Yake na Ndongoi ya ODM Raila Odinga ya Witikalano Kuthukuma kwa Vamwe kwisila Silikali ya broad-based ti kwoondu wa meli Indi ni kwoondu wa Useo na Uteti o vamwe na Maendeeyo ma Nthi ino.
The broad-based government is neither a creation of Baba or myself. It is God-sent. I say that because it is what is necessary for us to have the political goodwill to be able to push the development agenda of our nation, because transformation of a nation is not an easy thing. It is difficult. It takes very difficult decisions to transform a nation. And therefore, you need immense goodwill to be able to drive any meaningful transformation of a nation.
Ruto Niwamatungia Muvea Nthia yani kwoondu wa Kukwatiliila Witikalano wake na Raila Odinga Aiweta kuvindwa Nthi no kwenda andu mawendi musio.
Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to lead this nation that we all love. Thank you very much for also agreeing to the coming together of both Baba and myself so that we can form the broad-based government, and just so that you have the right context.
Oingi Ruto niwaweta vaikisio na kimwe kana mbaio na yiva ikutilwa na itina nthini wa Silikali yake kuo Aiweta muuguoni wa vata muno nthini wa kuendesya nthi ino.
No Kenyan, no region, no community, no religion is going to be left behind. We're going to move together. Peace and stability is key to the prosperity and development of Kenya. And therefore, we must continuously harness our diversity in a unified manner to be able to take our rightful place as a nation that is growing and developing, by making sure that we enhance our patriotism, our working together. And as you know, there are those of us who want to continue the exclusionist agenda that we exclude others. And I have made the decision that no one must be out for anybody to be in. We can all be in. You know, we have enough for all of us as a nation to share. And that is the basis upon which Baba and myself have sat down to form the broad-based government.
Vilingi wa Muvea Atongoi TV nyenita wa Ben Musao.